From rain, snow, and record heat, we saw it all last year. And this morning, meteorologist Leah Pezzetti takes us through some of the biggest weather events we saw in 2022.
2022 started with a winter whammy. A historic storm brought several feet of snow to the Cascades and forced the 4 main mountain passes to close for days. Snoqualmie Pass saw the highest snowfall in 20 years after it recorded 236 inches by January 3rd. Heavy rain then hit western Washington when Hoquiam recorded 5.78 inches in just one day, the highest 24-hour precipitation record since 1953. February and March stayed mostly quiet. The weather bounced back and forth between dry spells and atmospheric rivers. Because of how dry it was, prior to April 1st, the snowpack levels were behind. Then in the spring, that changed. It was the 3rd coldest April on record statewide and the 2nd wettest May on record for SeaTac. The wet and cold April and May brought snowpack levels back to normal for the end of the spring. But then summer arrived and shattered records left and right. It's now known as the warmest and driest summer on record. SeaTac had a record of 13 days warmer than 90 degrees and broke the record for number of days in a row at 90 degrees or warmer with 6 days back to back. Overall, a typical summer brings in nearly 3 inches of rain between June 21st and September 21st at SeaTac. But that time frame only got half an inch in 2022, making it the driest summer on record. That warm and dry trend carried over into fall. As of mid-October, SeaTac only got 0.54 inches of rain since mid-June, making it the driest 120-day stretch ever. The heat remained late into the year. October 16th, when the average daily high is just 60 degrees, SeaTac hit 88 degrees, simultaneously shattering multiple records, including breaking the daily record high of 72 degrees, and it was also the latest 80-degree or warmer day for a calendar year. October 2022 became the warmest October since records began in 1895. The average temperature for the month was 6.6 degrees warmer than normal. Also, wildfire smoke came and went. At one point in October, Seattle was ranked the worst air quality in the world with an AQI of 245, which is considered very unhealthy. The dry and warm trend continued into November, usually the wettest month of the year. After 14 days of no measurable rain at SeaTac, that became the longest dry spell on record during the month of November. Rain at the end of November helped bring monthly totals back closer to normal, though. Then came December and winter. Western Washington woke up to ice December 23rd, freezing rain blanketing the area, leading to dangerously slick roads and sidewalks across the region, and canceled flights at the airport just ahead of Christmas. Then December 27th, king tides drenched coastal areas, flooding homes and roads. Olympia's high tide of 18.4 feet was the highest in recorded history. In the end, rain totals got back to normal, surpassing 40 inches of rain at SeaTac for the year.
I think the weather that we got in the last couple weeks here was enough for an entire year. That ice storm, I think we're going to talk about that for years to come.
I know, and you look back at 2022, I kind of consider it the year of weather whiplash, you know, where we had such cold periods, we had such warm periods, dry, wet periods. It was just all over the place.
100% agree.
Yeah,
what does 2023 have in store for us?
I
We'll
know,
see.
a little more tranquil, a little more easy and smooth to get
Let's
into.
hope so.